Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and tap on the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and find General Management. Let's tap on it, and on the second position we've got date and time option, so let's tap. Now we are using automatic date and time. In order to set it manually, just tap on the switcher right here to turn them off, and here we've got the time zone, the date and time active, so we can freely tap on it. Let's tap on the time zone, choose the region manually, for example this one. And as you can see, it immediately changes. The same situation will be with the date, so simply tap on it, and now we can freely choose the date we want to use, for example this one. And as you can see, it also immediately changes. Now let's tap on the time, and by swiping we can choose the time we want to use, for example this one. Click on done, and as you can see, it also immediately changes. What's more, we can also choose the time format. Now we are using 24-hour format. In order to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see, it is also immediately applied. To get back to all previous settings, so to the automatic date and time, just tap on the switcher here, and as you can see, it immediately changes. The same situation with the time zone, with the format, simply tap on the switcher. So that's all. This is how to change date and time in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.